It's Christina Haganey, President of Valor Payroll Solutions, dedicated to bringing you payroll knowledge that you need. If you are a small business owner and you are looking at the cost of your payroll, you may have noticed that if you only have a few employees, your price per payroll is pretty high. The reason for this is that there's usually a base fee plus a per check or per employee per month fee. So if you only have 1 or 2 employees, that base cost is only getting divided between those few employees. Whereas if you have more, then that base fee is dispersed among all of your employees. So it is the case that with fewer employees, you are going to pay more per employee on average. Keep in mind that those payroll processing fees are inclusive usually of payroll tax filings and payments, and those are required whether you have 1 or 1,000 employees. So the work of payroll still has to be done, and so that's why there's that base fee for most service providers. If you have any questions at all about payroll services, payroll processing fees, or anything related to payroll, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can drop your comments below, or you can find us online at valorpayrollsolutions.com. Don't forget to subscribe.